'Tis rain, it is a lot of rain. If only we could let Adele set fire to the rain. But would that be the better alternative? If the rain was on fire, umbrellas wouldn't help you 'cause the rain would just burn right through it. Fiery rain. Oh, it stopped raining now. Oh. I'm bored. I got nothing to do. 'Cause it was raining. Now it's stopped. So I could frolic and skip outside, naked, hugging trees, high-fiving kids in the street. When I put my clothes back on, if I'd be put under arrest and some other charges, probably, indecent. Just being indecent. Back to the point. What if Adele set fire to the rain? Would the world be a better place? Would Adele still be asking for awards if she could see burning fire going into people's faces, burning them, melting in the streets? Or if she set fire to the rain, would that just create fog? Because a lot of steam would be produced. I don't know, Britain. I just don't know. I don't even remember what I've talked about because I'm just babbling. Stopped raining. It's rained all day. That's it. I think that's that video over.